Halfway there, friends. This is the third day of our trading week. We have already crossed the $1,000 mark and are not going to stop there. Let's see what results we managed to achieve on day 3. Yesterday, our balance actually crossed the $1,000 mark, and today we'll try to increase it fivefold using our automated bot. Will we succeed? We'll find out now. The bot is fully configured and ready to go, so let's see what it can do. Thank you for watching our videos. We see you enjoyed the week-long trading challenge. We want to remind you that you can start trading with the automated bot in the same way. Just follow the link in the description. The first trade immediately brings in profit. A great start, but will the bot be able to continue closing profitable trades, or will it run into difficulties? As in previous videos, we'll be speeding up the trading process a bit, so you can observe the automated bot in action. The Autobot has demonstrated a simply amazing series of successful transactions, and our balance is growing rapidly. I think we will be able to make more than $5,000 today. I don't know how to comment on this, friends. The results are right there on your screens. I won't tire of repeating that the best solution in trading is an automated bot. Try it and see for yourself. This is simply incredible, friends. Day 3 was our best day yet, and our balance is approaching $5,000. We have 2 more days to go, and I assure you this is just the beginning. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the results of day 5.